So we made it a little dusty. Looks like a bike that just came back from a run. All bikes, all cars, everything has to be towed back. So it's a little dusty now. We went up that wrong road. Got about 2 inches of dust on it we didn't need. So the booth there is your check-in, your armbands, pit crew stuff. And this is the inspection station for motorcycles. So, and we're gonna head over. Doesn't looking as busy as I thought it would be, but this used to be all filled in with cars and trucks. Oh, here we go. Looks like a little mini. All right, we'll take a pause, get on over there. Coming around. Some cool looking hot rods there. Yeah, not much interesting stuff here.
Really? You can't afford this. We're gonna go.
Everything's expensive.
I know, I can't buy that shit.
The groceries last time I spent like $50 on just a little bit of things. Yeah.
Dog food, I know I spend a couple $100, $300 on the dog food a month. I know it.
Yeah, you have to get them certain food on her.
Not really, but just like
Mirage, Sidewinders Club entry. That is 3.
That was interesting. They kept the trailer short. They just cut a little spot in the front for the tire to go into.
I hate to tune that. We keep saying that. It sounded really nice though. He's getting closer to that 195 class record. 176.666. 176.666 for bike number 3219.
So you have 4 lanes here. This lane here is the 200 plus class lane. These guys are trying to get there. The next one in the first lane is for new runs or just a run to just get the experience and that type of stuff. So you can get them all set up. This obviously is a pusher truck to get it started, and then when the time's ready.
Hey, that's what's on. See what? See what?
Jill.
I hear my name.
Can you believe it, Tatro?
Anybody come out with you?
Tatro calls me up at 10 o'clock last night. Can you help me come out?
Did he come out?
Yeah, we
He
bought.
didn't make first round.
No, we're not racing. He got the Indian, just brought it out to be inspected and look
Because he
over
called
the
me
gear.
on it, yeah.
Yeah, so we're just going. He calls me 10 o'clock. Can you break me help me? I'm like, yeah, sure, why not?
Oh my God, you're so good.
Well, I like
Got
seeing
better
this.
talking to him on the phone.
Huh?
When he does call me, it's not nearly as bad as it used to be.
Oh, yeah, he's.
You're not recording me, are you?
That's like, okay.